Always good to start a new day. The sun, the sky shining, the birds singing, the flowers arising on the earth, and the people calling me to ask if the drone is great to the fly, leaving out all my smiles. Here is so hard to work because of the people. Everyone know how ways this country. Too difficult. The difficulty is not the damage of the flyers machines. It's too hard to live with these people here. So hard. Well, today I will do repair and some types of drones, each one with so hardly damaged. And I will see the numbers. The last attempt was trying to broke my own record, but I followed. I was so hungry. I was too. Hold a minute. I was so tired, and I would like very much to go to my bed and rest all the night. Well, gonna start with this. Let's go. Let's go to the first of this new day. If the people don't try to make something in your own house, all my job will be easy. More easy than tomorrow, than now, than yesterday. But the people try to do something without no achievements. And this is the great difficulty of this job. This type here, for example, your owner tried to do everything here to make this drone fly again. And after all, this drone arrived here for repair. Wonderful. That's beautiful. Okay. I think that the system only is good if all the things work at the same time. Here is not good. And I need to do all the things that I can to do for this drone be safe for flight. That's all. Hold a minute. This new version is too late to make the bind between the drone and the control. The communication are made in 5 giga, and the communication between the control and the cell phone in 2.4. But now this squad is wonderful and can fly to all the place.